Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Here I am with you, Muhammad Ashkur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. So, my dear students, today I will solve a board question that is from Dinajpur board. You can see Dinajpur board 2019. Here you can see two different picture, figure A and figure B in the stem. So here you can see four different questions. For A, you can see what is bandwidth. We have to give definition for bandwidth. Number B, explain data transmission mode of mobile phones. We have to explain the mode for mobile phone. And here you can see another question. Number C, a new topology is found if the PR and QS connections of figure A is disconnected. We have to explain what will be our new topology. And last one, number D, you can see which topology is convenient between figure A and figure B in the stem. So here you have to compare it and also analyze the question answer. So let's see our first question. You can see our first question is what is bandwidth, right? What is bandwidth? You can say, or you can write, the rate of data transfer is called bandwidth. You can say another way, the amount of data that can be transmitted per unit time from its sender to receiver. Okay, then let's go our second question. Number B, explain data transmission mode of mobile phone. So at first you have to identify which data transmission mode is used for mobile phone, right? The answer is full duplex. You have to identify it. See here, I wrote here, mobile phones data transmission mode is full duplex. Then you have to write the definition. So what is the definition of full duplex? Answer is the process in which sender and receiver can send and receive data at the same time from both direction. From both direction is called full duplex. So my dear student, you can see here is a diagram also. Here A is a device and B is another device. You can say or you can say A is sender and B is receiver. So we can say like this, data can be sent from A to B. Okay, A to B, and as well as you can say B to A. From both direction we can send and receive any data. For example, you can say telephone, you can say mobile phone, or you can say smartphone. Okay, so here for mobile phone we have to discuss data transmission mode for mobile phone. While talking on mobile, we can talk just like face-to-face talking, right? So that means one can talk while another is talking, because the two parties can send and receive data at the same time. So you can write the mobile phone's data transmission mode is full duplex. Okay, now next question. You can see here number C, a new topology is found if the PR and QS connection of figure A is disconnected. Explain it. We have to explain it. You can see here is a picture in the right side. So answer is, if we disconnect PR and QS in figure A new topology will come out named as ring topology. Which one? Ring topology, right? Ring topology. So in ring topology, all the computers are connected with each other. Here last computer of the ring is connected with the first one. Okay, when computer sends data, it continuously moves in a circle until the receiver receives the data. There is no central computer in this topology. Here every computer has same importance. So the first computer in the network is connected to the last computer. So as you can say also, a ring topology may also be called an active topology because messages are passed to each device in the ring. Okay, so my dear students, ring topology has some advantages also. So first one, you can see this system does not need any central computer or server. Okay, so here we don't need any server for ring topology. Every computer in the network is equally important. Every computer is equally important. And last one, you can say by increasing the number of computer cannot influence its capability. So you can add different number of computer, so it doesn't depends on its capability. So my dear students, here are some disadvantages also for ring topology. So let's see. If one computer of this network stop working, the whole system disrupts. So it's very important, and it's very one of the most disadvantages for ring topology. In ring topology, identifying problems is very difficult, and adding or removing extra computer disrupt the whole network system. So you can't add or remove any extra computer as you want, so be careful. Okay, so you have to remind this for ring topology. This is a very disadvantages for ring topology. So my dear student, let's see our last question. Which topology is inconvenient between figure A and figure B in the stem? We have to compare it and analyze. So at first we have to identify from figure A. You can see this one is mesh topology and figure B is hybrid topology. Okay, mesh topology is the best among these two topology. A comparative discussion among them is given below it. Here is the way you can write in your copy. So first of all, you have to identify those topology and then discuss all the topology. So I have also discussed here. Here you can see there will be no problem in mesh topology if any computer or line is disconnected with the others. That means it will not face any kind of big problem easily. But in hybrid topology, if any part of is disconnected or damaged by getting some problems, then specific parts will be damaged or stop working instead of damaging or stop working of the whole network. So my dear student, you can see I have compared between two topologies, mesh and also hybrid topology. Okay, so you have to write this way. So here you can see also advantages and disadvantages of a hybrid network depends on topologies which used to in that topology. Okay, so in the stem, figure B is constructed with bus and start topology. So S of start topology gets damaged, then the whole network will be damaged. So S is very important for this figure B. On the other hand, backbone of bus topology gets damaged, then the whole network will be damaged, so that it ensures less percentages of data communication compared to mesh topology. On the other hand, there is no similar kind of problem in mesh topology, so that it ensures more percentages of data communication. Okay, but here is some disadvantages. First one, you can say it's most very important. Hub used in this topology must be put in active mode all the time for hybrid topology. Okay, so it's very important. And for mesh topology, you can see, or you can say some disadvantages also. Network installation and configuration is very critical, and cost of this topology increases because of the connection of extra link in the network for mesh topology. Okay, so my dear student, that's the way you have to explain, and you can also compare and also analyze those topologies, mesh and also hybrid. Okay, so my dear students, hope you have understood my today's video class. If you have any problem, then ask me or ask your subject teacher. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.